the song that I'll be dancing to tonight, I was in a session with one of my friends who will just sit and we'll listen to music together. And this came on, and I just wept, and there was something in me that was like, you must dance to this. It's too beautiful. Saying it's so beautiful or even weeping isn't enough to express what's coming up when I hear it. And then I dance with pure devotion. It's just love. It's just love dancing. That's the only way I can describe it. It's just a pure gift to whatever is around, to the universe, for allowing me to feel so deeply. And that it's just, then I dance for pure giving, not to channel, not to think, not to convert. It's just an offering of all of me as I know it. When I'm dancing, I feel free, totally free. And when there's so much energy, I feel as if I'm outside of my own skin. When I'm dancing inside, I feel as if I'm going through the roof, and my body isn't large or expansive enough to contain just how much energy I feel flowing through me. I would describe it as complete ecstasy. I love it when people dance with me, or when I am in a group dancing. It's so amplified. Every sensation is so, if it's that energetic, explosive feeling, then I'm beyond infinity. I have no body anymore. I'm just with everyone around me, and it's so magnified, it's so amplified. There's nothing more beautiful for me than when I'm with my friends, with my intimates, and anyone who wants to join in that same celebration. It's funny, sometimes I'll dance in the morning simply to celebrate, like simply to rejoice in the day and what I'd been given, and to be able to completely love and embrace the gift that I've been given of another day, and then to carry that into the rest of the day and to share it. And so sometimes morning dance sessions are just incredible, because you just join and you celebrate, and then you carry it with you all day. Just that recognition, that remembering that, I guess you could say, the divine is here. For me, it's an expression of this place, like the joy, the gifts, like everything that I've received here. I hadn't danced for years before I came to Source Temple, and then it felt like everything started with our first dance session, and I was like, it's possible to feel this, to communicate this, to express this. And like little by little, I started to incorporate it into each day, if only for just a couple moments. And when I connect to that, I connect to this whole place. It's really just that's what it feels like more than anything, like a giving away of the joy and like tremendous gratitude. And it happens to take the form of dance. It could take any form. For me, that's how it takes shape. But it's a connecting to all of that. Like how blessed I am to be here. Like, yeah, it's all of me as I know it. Everything that's been given is given away in that flow. And I don't know how it could be more whole.